favorite firecrackers. And then people called, they were talking about sparkler bombs. And to be honest, none of us knew what a sparkler bomb really was. So one of our great listeners called us up, and he was like, yo, here's what it is. I'll come down here and make you one. So we're about to actually light a sparkler bomb back here by the Q93 turnaround. And I think we've got to be careful because he said something could blow out windows. No, it's not illegal. Hold on, we're lighting it right now. Are we lighting it right now? Oh, snap. Okay. Should I run? How loud is this going to be? Is it pretty loud? He said it's pretty loud. Here we go.